welcome to Paris Drawing Club. In today's video we will draw Wee Bear Bear. So let's get started.
First we will draw the very last bear, the brown one. We start by drawing his mouth here. His teeth. And his nose. Draw an oval here. His eyes. Another one. We start drawing his face now. His cheek here. Then his head. It will be this big. And we will prepare his ear here. Done. Then his other ear here. His arms will be this big. Draw two lines here. Now his leg. Don't forget we must follow this line here. So it will be approximately here. His foot. Line here. His tummy. Tummy will be this big approximately, and it will meet here. Foot. Draw three little circles here, and the bigger one here. His arm here will be approximately this big. Same like his feet. Three little circles here and one bigger one here. We finished the first one. We will start with the panda. The panda will be sitting right here. So we will draw his mouth here. Nose here. Dot here for his eye, and the other one here. Same with the bear. We will first draw his cheek right here, starting from here. Now, then his head. His ears. The other one. Now his hands. His two hands will be meeting right here. So we will draw it the left one first. sitting right here, so his leg will be here. The other one here. And the right one, we will have the white bear, polar bear. So we will draw his nose here. His face, his eyes first, here, and one more dot here. Left arm first. And then next one. Draw a line here. Oops, we forgot his mouth. His mouth will be like this. Then we will continue with his leg, the left one first. It's sitting right here, so we will draw it this big. And the next one. Please note that this line here will connect here. Three little circles here. One bigger one here. Let me see what we're missing. Well, that seems pretty much it. Great job, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Goodbye.